Hello everyone, welcome back to We Love Food. It's just a random video this week. I didn't feel like making new recipes, what we make every single week. I did weekly shopping and I found this funny little pan, and I don't know, for some reason I really wanted to buy it. It looks beautiful. So shall we try this and make something simple? Let's go. You have seen how we made the omelette. It is beautiful, I think. Amina tried, she liked it. Anyway, I will see you again next week, maybe another random video. Bye bye.